What's up, everybody? How you guys doing? Hope everyone's doing all right. Today I'm doing a bit of a different video than usual. Today I'm going to my friend. He's gonna have his first lesson, helicopter lessons, and he invited me. He said, like, I'm gonna have my first lesson, helicopter lesson, you wanna come by? I said, yeah, why not? So I'm going to him now. Morning, fella. What's happening, man? Still sleeping? Oh, just dressing up, getting ready, huh? Man's forgot your location, you know. Have to send me the postcode. I'm going the right. I know I'm going the right way, but I don't know exactly where it is. You know. You know what I mean? All right. I just came to pick him up, and we're going. What are we doing today?
It's a surprise. See you in a minute.
Okay, man's ready. Okay, we got 14 miles away, fella. Going to somewhere. Yeah, 14 miles. Are you ready for the trip? Ay, ay, ay. How does it feel back there, fella? How is the feeling? Behind the man. Yeah, well, this is the situation, you know. We don't have a car, so man to man, two men on one bike. Yeah, but you can stop hitting me with the helmet on the back, you know. What does mean this one, you know? This is a nice one.
Okay, so this is the surprise, yeah? So we are in the Fly Pig helicopters. There are some airplanes, aircrafts as well. Yeah, this is my dream, you know, from when I was a kid to fly a helicopter. I'm gonna do my first training today, so come up with me. Today it looks like I'm gonna have the coolest job in the world. Yeah, this is passion, you know. That's why in one of his previous videos, what's your truly desire? What do you want for your life? What do you like to do? Work hard, doesn't matter what you do in life, and this is my life. So I want to do this, and I will keep going. Yeah? I want to see you saying something about what is your truly desire in his video now. Yeah? today a little Robinson 22, and I wish I could have the 44, but 22 is amazing for flying, you know, first experience.
18 to eat?
It was so
Yes.
late. I mean, we're supposed to be eating about 7 or 8.
Your order
o'clock.
number.
It was about 11 o'clock or midnight by the time.
Yeah, 15 minutes to start. They're gonna do some briefings, you know, inside. Instruction how to do everything. Final checks. And then we go into the direction of the helicopters there. And yeah, so before I start, I want to thank you, the person that gave me the course, the opportunity. It was a gift, yeah. Thank you very much if you look in this video now. Yeah, so here I am and I'm going. Still just starting, yeah. Thank you very much. What's up, everybody? Here we go! Oh, you asked me to be excited, yeah? Because I'm very like, you know, going into my zone now, so I don't feel like I want to be too much fun, you know? Yeah, we have a Robinson that I'm gonna fly the Robinson 22. It's an American helicopter. The throttle of this one is on the left hand side, or it depends of when you stay on the right, it's on the right hand side. And you can turn around with your feet like sideways, like this. Your feet is on the floor, so you just like control like this, so you turn around, yeah. And after flying you have the famous joystick, so you control the movements of the part that can make you feel stable flying around, you know, like this. Yeah, this is the basic stuff.
Yeah, alright, let's go. How was it?
Oh, very good, man. It's a nice feeling.
Tell us the experience.
Are you laughing about me? Oh, the experience is very nice. The feeling is like adrenaline, if you like adrenaline, and it's nice. I can't describe, you know. So if you really like to fly, and this is a sensation that you never forget, you know, in your life. It's good, man. I will keep going this one. Yeah. I hope you enjoy it. Subscribe in his channel, you know, and thumbnails.
That's it.
That's it.
Job done. Hey fella, look, come here. I have a question for you.
Don't come too close.
Which one you gonna be from this one? The left one or the right one?
Anyone is fine, you know. Yeah.